Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it to the pro by using this settings bar and simply going to the left so we can pick it. And here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let's start with these three buttons from the left. The first one here is the ISO, so we can change camera sensitivity to light, and as you can see we get access to the slider. We can make our camera less sensitive from 100 and more sensitive to 800, so I think this spectrum is really enough, like this kind of camera. We can of course easily go back to auto ISO by tapping on the manual button here, and now it's again on the auto settings. Let's move at the center to white balance, so we can change the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees, so the balance between warm and cold tones of our photo, it depends from the light we have in the area where we take it. So when we pick here, we can change our white balance to daylight, then cloudy light, incandescent light, and also fluorescent light. You can pick whatever you need or just go back to auto white balance by simply tapping on auto from the right here. And let's move to the last one option, the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of our picture. As you can see, we are on the settings bar at the center now. When we go to the right, we can make our photo more bright. When we go to the left on it, we can make it more dark. At the center, we can easily go back to auto exposure compensation. And let me show you also that when we move up to the button from the right, we can change the metering in the pro mode from center weighted to matrix and also to the spot one. And now let me use these settings to take a picture, so let's stay on ISO here. The white balance may be incandescent and a little bit brighter. To see my picture, let's tap to the button under the shutter that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.